muna ayira no manem fo mu din e mabata bata ho bi mkura ade achi anopa no adepa esoma ne ma no so mo nkokwan ho enkotonzu ene ntia ma teacher Thomas atwipina adepa so woni ne din komo nenso na Paul ne Silas etete babia omo hwe won etie de ekoso nyina adepa me kasa ntie
teacher Thomas. Yes.
Oh, me body as any out there me. Huh?
Say my busy kakra enti. O de ma me wie de me wi a na de akasa.
That's all them nontem there busy then an can excuse o. Na den
nim sa ba o my busy sisi anti. O de me sro ma me wi.
Ubofo na.
Teacher Thomas, o de ye me sika wakoma to ye me wi a me ameba. Wa show hwe me kunu kra na ebe.
Hey, yo, anya che.
Okay.
Hey, adepa. Obijire ena ne sati chani na ne trousers say you know mujina bonto no hwehwe wanim style bi kese meni ha djuma wudie no no meboa
de bi me
na na ne hwan die ese me kasa no say yi ano enkoma be na ne hwan die nkoma na wo so wo de wo proud na de pan na to na hwe se de akoye hwe wanim akwa ne flap tintin bi ogina wo hwe wanim adepa kese meni wa de utifia wo ye no adepa ja sunu na koda hono na me penentem akwa adwuma adepa ja sunu na koda hono na me twen no singen mi ano first one koda woni me koda mama sai ba ko no
anymore ya na anymore
inti enkrumai wonya ne yerebo na wo ne bia dufu
Send masami maka. Teacher Thomas we jado anye ne hihye ho na.
se na meka teacher Thomas ono anaye yankɔ ne ho yankeke bi
Bona Silas AdomFM we transform Silas
teacher Thomas
Yes ede ba sem
Prebla ya no asem
ha ede ba sem okay
so
ma hu de ne
so
gene ma hu
ohun ye
me hu de
ohun ye wo se de ne ebo adeba
wan na ebo no
wan biem bukọ mba nku wan biem na ebo no wonti ye bo ne sa na pa
obo na me nim nye ntia obo no na adi na
ohun se woni ne gira ho no e na o se jama bibi koso me kwa na me nyanka nche no me nyanka nche ni mpo e na hwese de obo no e na me kata ne de na se wawo anya wo de what obo obabwaku
chia
me say her last time am ka cho asem ankoma ho onyantokwa wo na hweme mu ho wo fa engine block no wo de bobi se dum
yo na baka
one gokuno hwe one ne bufu anyo
feature food wo bufu anyo
no mpekwa ne se one ne bia ne yire kwa be kasa
na se
mun tafasa ne yire nsa ana bia ne o yesa one ne yire kwa da de wakuno ada na
afede me
teacher Thomas mes ma we am shishu ni nti de na nam se me kofra Paul aba me akamu ba ma no asem
we de enya bone kura ye wokrom o ka kire menua menua Silas se o se ka ba dwene ho o so de asemi to anim fa mobile money ho fa kalabula ebu wo ani usika bedi ye ho kyeresa wo de sika ni nyina ba che
de asem kura na nkroma akobo ni
spanner she spanner
what did you
Jack
is it we the ten say no me din nyina che mo na die me nya so se be wo de hwe engine block aba mu no wo de yenya na half why
half ni saying
250 cedis
250 saying ye bu
and 500 cedis na my and half
500 no ye half you saying 500 minus half you saying
Bona Silas AdomFM we transform Silas
teacher Thomas and Andrew Momere
hey this account ye chem 250 Paul na me se me yusu asem no na me ka cho de am me preach bin hwe me se nyipa no ho fon this ya kwa first one correction na wode bai sisi am baba no sha wo afun ho nti yan sesam kakra me preach bin all the yan hwe
Silas
Paul
okay o de sa opeso preach ya me wa preach
na sɛ wo preachi ɛyɛ ɛnyɛ sika no
yɛbɛnya
atiefo sɛ awia no Paul na Silas epie sɛ wɔn mo kɔ no makɔ akɔpirichi na saa da ne deɛ ɛsɛ wani ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛka kyerɛ wɔ ɛdɔm a epu baayɛ so mo bɛbi tie Paul ɛne Silas nyame asɛm a wɔn mo ka no na nyɛ asɛm ketewa
ɛnuanom na adɔfo na kyɛ dɛ mampɛ dɛ meka nyinaa nye dɛ fa w'abrabɔ fama Jesus na ɔbɛma wo ho atɔw meyanko Pauli na wɔagyima ma bɛtɔ no ma Jesus na ho atɔn sɛ sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛayɛ fili fa w'abrabɔ ma Jesus na ɔde no ho ɔbɛma wo biribia ɛhia wɔ asase no biara wo ho wo nsa bɛka ka dɛ amen kɛse paa
amen
nyamedwuma yɛ a yɛyɛ yi moa no mo ɛhwɛ yɛn mu meyɛyɛ ne yie sɛ yɛbɛnante wo sɛ yɛbɔfo kaalo sɛ yɛbɛpreach yɛbɔtɔ patro yɛda gu generator mo sɛ yɛbɔtɔ battery yɛda gu microphone mo sɛ baado ne nyinaa mo ala nti yɛsra mo tutu mo kotokum mo pɛsim mo baade mu ma mpɛ dɛ mode boa nyame no adwuma biaa momfa mmra ne yɛmfa yɛ nyame no adwuma no yɛmfa nhyɛ me den na ɔkyena so yɛtum yɛbɛgyina ha ne yɛabɛka nyame no asɛm ma mo nyinaa moanya bi na moatum mo akɔ heaven Bible say to wabodo fa gunsu na enwa na dabi won sabaka
to wabodo gunsu na enwa na da chibi won sabaka to wabodo gunsu na enwa na da chibi won sabaka na chibi won sabaka bona Silas, a young co family bona Silas.
Amen. Wa from me you Japan. Yanku pansha mu nyina. Onsha mu bebre. Kada amen kasa kwar.
Amen.
Amen kasa kwar ka ho.
Amen.
Amen kasa pa.
Amen.
Yeah, be an free. Abano can renti. Be an free.
Silas. And Nadia Yanyasika, oh,
Some catch.
man yasese
Muzasa man sang na mumkasa nanu ye day ye ne bia na every free
Sika no wonim de beye. Ebeche mu pepepe. O fa half na me so ma fa half.
dede
Say. Sika ni nya use white series can buy.
ya me preaching ta
There be Silas. Memma wani mre sika bebre. Hwe minti na we nyina ba because me na me yes ma mintina kire na me ma wo me preach nti ka me yes me preach a senka we ska we nka ma wo
I me preaching to next canal
nti me metina nchen no me ka say fa me ye example no
dabi me pen Silas na oda no ya je da bia wo preacher na wo afakese na ma mkakaba me preaching into na enye ska kese no e be ka chem na ya champion da den
hwe nyame If na mahoma so
ma fa nyame nya hwe me se na me pen
nti Silas so ne mbeko na
hwe o wala nka na wa bo hu mi papa bi wa
na na me pretty ye no sika no buy me ma say
anya nche me ba sa na ma mkwer
na ka say na kape ko skuda
ma ko skuda wo school na de preaching nyame na me preaching de
it is see na bio it is ma so na ka o ye ke very much
on fam ho every preaching e de nya ska me fa ska bi amba me fa ejima mo bo Paul abona go Paul me ska amba Paul welcome Mobro
just mo ebio bra ye nyina na eti ho e na ka se be preaching
ofa ye nya na ye adwuma bia na ye preaching ye ska pe de bia na sisim na ma ye di
me sisim
oh man ya nya asam na mo kan ya opa sisim basi
oh ya samo Ajay.
So we got to send you no me no kwa Muzasa man sang na mumkasa nanu ye day ye ne bia na every free oh every free ya no every day
wa brumo
Ajay je skaka wa hu sika wa nyina nya hwe de aka 150 pesos
sika no go back nim nyina aka 150 pesos
se go fo no mo boy mo se sika nyina
nti e be de nya kofi
machine nyina so no ma se nyina so
wa bubu speakers nti e be de nya preach bio
etiefo abo kontromfi wose misuman ni mani na we de musuman ene maso a mode ati se mo mate de asie obo ade dum ye na adom ye ni ha na wotwe besimu no ahaya ena mesanso ma behia na maka de asie a kire mo bidia no pani kwa medu a metaja be kofie wa blekuma makram
Openi adase
Anyway.
Tinyame ya adom next week ye be hwe baby e be kwa akosi nya bro ni be ya we aka mo hwe so nkwe Shuba
Empenyisi humeniso mamiti Achimyonunam oh ya na achimyonunam Achimyonunam Warrior sina sebunyobia Asam ye mabo Wana Silas Ayon confirm with you trust Wana Silas Aprobomu ekumini Wana Silas Ajinke se ninitie Wana Silas
King of my heart, my one and only. You've been working hard, though. Shouldn't we travel with the kids to relax? Lodge in a 5-star hotel, go on a boat cruise. Don't worry. With Visa, we can get amazing discounts on summer treats, tickets and tours in UK, Dubai and USA. Where's that flyer, Seth? See, we could also win home appliances when we spend at least $500 or its equivalent in any currency abroad.
Offer open to all Visa card holders till the 13th of September 2019. Visit africa.visa.com for more offers. Ask your bank for an instant Visa card today. Terms and conditions apply. Visa, everywhere you want to be.
So with this promo, we can win some home appliances and I can finally have my peace.
It's now time for the Joy News Habitat Fair 2019 main event at the Accra International Conference Center. As Ghana's one-stop shop for the building and construction industry, this year we are pushing the theme, Rethinking Building Technology in Ghana to give true meaning to affordable housing. Thinking of buying a home or remodeling your existing structure? Want to know about exciting new trends or just looking for exquisite and durable accessories to make your home unique? Then join us for the Joy News Habitat Fair 2019 in collaboration with Elegant Homes and Supersem Cement. From insurance, finance, security, and energy, we have you covered. It's a 3-day event at the Accra International Conference Center from Friday, September 20 to Sunday, September 22, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day. To sponsor or exhibit, please contact 054-431-0864 or 054-690-8179. The 2019 Joy News Habitat Fair is brought to you by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Supersem Cement, build your dream. And is sponsored by Pair Talk, Timeless Architectural Fittings, Vodafone Fixed Broadband. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? DBS Roofing, Roofing Papa Pay Fee, Domod Roof, distinct and dependable. McDuncan Company Limited, Building Futures, and Elbeam Reality. Your home is your wealth. Join us Habitat Fair 2019, rethinking building technology to give true meaning to affordable housing.
Oh, David. Joke your fan papa the two from the WhatsApp group. Yes, crack. I say, wow, she's almost sounds the same share man for no more. Yes, so yes, time I be sounds to the school na ben Charlie. Now when baby, I was seeing Samsung Galaxy AC with senior HDNB. It's my man drop his emojis no more in the moment ninja. Now wow, so man and strong line.
The original Samsung 10,000 mAh battery pack KFC voucher. Ni achede on was so bebre. A baby better Samsung A10, A20, A30, A50, ni A74. A sleek. A infinity display. Camera quality properly. Memory ni so ye bozy. Ni battery a edwuma the moon ni na. Emma wey sound ho. Bora Samsung authorized shop bia mu sese ya. E hye kakra wo.
It's now time for the Joy News Habitat Fair 2019 main event at the Accra International Conference Center. As Ghana's one-stop shop for the building and construction industry, this year we are pushing the theme, rethinking building technology in Ghana to give true meaning to affordable housing. Thinking of buying a home or remodeling your existing structure? Want to know about exciting new trends or just looking for exquisite and durable accessories to make your home unique? Then join us for the Joy News Habitat Fair 2019 in collaboration with Elegant Homes and Sipusem Cement. From insurance, finance, security, and energy, we have you covered. It's a 3-day event at the Accra International Conference Center from Friday, September 20 to Sunday, September 22, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day. To sponsor or exhibit, please contact 054-431-0864 or 054-690-8179. For 2019 Joy News Habitat Fair is brought to you by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Sipusem Cement, build your dream. And is sponsored by Pair Talk, Timeless Architectural Fittings, Vodafone Fixed Broadband. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? DBS Roofing, Roofing Papa Pay Fee, Domod Roof, Distinct and Dependable. McDuncan Company Limited, Building Futures, and Elbeam Reality. Your home is your wealth. Join us Habitat Fair 2019, rethinking building technology to give true meaning to affordable housing.
Mama tia kura so be bonja ka sika be du kumase ya me wa dondu anama sie o mama ya ka kura so be die kura den and the mind shadows na guom so kumase a e ma won to pega na u da kire o ye tie tie sam ya mete ya u da kire kura ye hu na dia yire ho e bia be tie kumase to o mo de kumase e bi so dan yare folk dem o de tie kumase na o ya ba ma osiso gumaso ya kan hu tie gumaso no pa we na nwumre na o da tie na we ye na be hunu hwe ya me ni na o ya baba wasiso o sanku wai no mo yesai no o change the house no o change the house what dan mo ba fun dey be asisa house be very careful na what you kala nko na what you so kala nko me ni aba asamba to na bibi betwa no ya kopam na ye diama akura ene betiti so ni pedua ho me ni aba be very careful wiase be jaw one day dey be ya previous japade ni ya pre ni pedua no e be jaw dako obia me no obia hwe ababa obia mo ni rosi ni mo na hwe mo ma ware mu kunu na te wo kunu ka ba kunu aka nan wo ka ba kunu akwansia wo ka nwatu no akasai be very careful jam krasene ya na de tawari ase no enkrasene ya na de tawari ase ndai enkrasene ya no dai mema mo ware mo yire no mo so mo jam de no mo fie wo yire kasa pe na buafu ade a wo nyanya so be ko ka na buafu wo kwase agyan na asundiem na fie dan na asundiem na fie na sasundie ba wo yire ni dia eye nhira ma wankasa awari mi nhira mo bia na obe ware oba na ya kraseni wo ho atete ene awari ya wadom oba no mpre no mahwe e be sam ka to abrante wo hwe ye nche no wa wie yapa ya me no ya me no hwe Sofo the me pitch la 2015 we di matem was all them 2015 sofo we di matem was all them ne number for sofo no mti kumase a wo page enterem se no the first message was na abufo ya ba mu na awrade sinya botre ne tie do nam Mr. Radikasa assemble my force and myself at once yes ni so duanim
the first one
stand myself at once. That's right. No, Mr. Brante council mementi. Cinco asema bem. Oto obrofu kwa timkabi.
It's been 7 years of thrill, 7 years of drama, 7 years discovering award-winning talent on Ghana's most rewarding and biggest music reality TV show.
Only thing now go on where the people can sleep, but when the time comes from me up to speak, what they want to make God give you say.
Welcome to MTN Hitmaker. The quest begins. Live your wildest dreams with MTN Hitmaker. Do you have what it takes to be Ghana's next biggest music sensation? Sign up for the Hitmaker Season 8 and set your music career in motion. 12 great voices, one big deal. Download the Hitmaker app from the Google Play Store to sign up. Entries close by Friday, 20th September 2019. Be the next star the world is waiting for.
We day for you everywhere you go. MTN.
for. Na Mama Brown yo. Say dear, ya from me Mama Roma. If we say me the Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil and a bomb home ban. Kanu crow and tontuma drobe brain na wasashe. Ebe yi wa so obekum nanso eja uti area. Ebe so de enkumu kra. Ese jankabone wo dem. Nanso Roma insecticide spray de. Emrun tuntum no. Ekun tuntum ne ntefra ne mwa ketenkete sharp. Na say jankapa wo dem. Na Roma mosquito coil ne de. Emma maniji keke. Wo sa empro wusio. Ne kum tuntum no one time. Na ma wo dem wa ye sham. Enti samene mabusia dem ma de chia. Ye ne kata ni tiare bia ni asem. Say dia say wo to insecticide spray and mosquito coil. Bisa Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil. And tuntum master. Kayo so sprayer free 15 minutes.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Enti, obiasa me yakosia fela. Please. Nanso, enye se me yemfifi mu. Asem no ane se, sima edikan no pe na metia wo call bia me yeso. Eno ma me say na 50 megabytes free data. Rain na meti me ba bia dream me hu. Ehwe ne yekoso wo me timeline so a. Na me hu se wansa wa kola fufro. Enna na wotwe etwe mu yanso. Akwesie di loto kesie. Akwesi ye me nua Adam for power. Enti hello. She unia oni akesefo. Ebedi atuna hye.
Now for so good do bebre free MTN free after one. So udi komo MTN so a. Se me di kan ba ko ne penalty ahoka. Nya ka hye no. Ni nyina ye free bonto. Ni asama internet 50 megabytes data free. So now the browse be bia. Open we are. Open day. Fresh star 315 hash. Na fa hu hye mu sesia.
We day for you everywhere you go.
Kai se enje sheka krawo ho.
King of my heart, my one and only. You've been working hard, though. Shouldn't we travel with the kids to relax? Lodge in a 5-star hotel, go on a boat cruise. Don't worry. With Visa, we can get amazing discounts on summer treats, tickets and tours in UK, Dubai and USA. Where's that flyer, Seth? See, we could also win home appliances when we spend at least $500 or its equivalent in any currency abroad.
Offer open to all Visa card holders till the 13th of September 2019. Visit africa.visa.com for more offers. Ask your bank for an instant Visa card today. Terms and conditions apply. Visa, everywhere you want to be.
So with this promo, we can win some home appliances and I can finally have my peace.
Masa Ghana ha so we pay correct mason pa e ye me kwasi super me ye super mason ankasa because our job no enye better. They won't see how beautiful and high quality your work is. That be what them they use believe you. That be why me too. It be only super same cement at the use. Cement mu cement papa. Inti me cranks in from me kwasi super because me the super same cement and DVD ra.
Super Same Cement is designed to ensure that your buildings stand strong for generations. Build with Super Same Cement. Build your dream. Build.
Me last call la o amane so.
You feel me too much. Me kasa fi janka town. Me ntia say me dem ya me sika beto bundle. Na me dia free me busuafo. E wo network bia so. Na network no sole ya. Wa beji bundle na free me nsem emra a ono pe. Sesen. Se me so me tibi use no ko pem time me so me pe. E dia so so nya expire.
Yo, be na. Mo me fan graduate fi aboafo. E ba sesi a.
Switch bra. Airtel Tigo. Ba won sanka fuse. Enu kwani calls ni data bundle. Any expiry. Anytime there. Any problem cra. For Airtel Tigo fuse. Fred networks bia. Some browsing. For star 567 hash for bundle.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
It's tasty and delicious. I am about the pizza. Every day and every night. I want some about the pizza. It's hot.
For the tastiest pizzas, come to Papa's Pizza. We serve it hot from the oven, just how you want it and anytime you want it. Enjoy quick, tasty pizzas served at the customer's convenience. We deliver and offer in-car services too. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Pizza.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Hello, Ghana. Ghana for. Nana Mac Brown yo. Say dear, ya from me Mama Roma. If we say me the Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil and a bomb hoban. Kano crow and tontuma drobe brain na wasashe. Ebe year also bekum nanso eja utiare. Ebe so dear enkumu kra. Ese jankabone wo dem. Nanso Roma insecticide spray dear. Emrun tuntum no. E kuntuntum ne ntefra ne mwa ketenkete sharp. Na say jankapa wo dem. Na Roma mosquito coil ne dear. Emma maniji keke. Wosa empro wusio. Ne kuntuntum no one time. Na ma wo dem wa ye sham. Enti se me na mabusia dem ma de chia. Ye ne kata ni tiare bia ni asem. Say dear se wo to insecticide spray and mosquito coil. Bisa Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil. And tuntum master. Kayo se wo spray free 15 minutes.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Me last call la. Oh, man, so.
You feel me too much. Me kasa fi janka town. Me nti asie se. Me dem ya music beto bando. Na me dia free me busuafo. E wo network bia so. Na network no sole ya. Wa beji bando na free me nsem emre a ono pe. Sesen. Se me sumi tibi use no kopem time a me so me pe. E dia so ni expire.
Yo, be me na. Mo me fan card to fi aboafo. E ba sesi a.
Switch bra. Airtel Tigo ba won san confused. Enu kwani cost ni data bundle. Any expiry. Any time there. Any problem cra. For Airtel Tigo Fuse Fred networks bia some browsing or *567# for bundle. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Ghana nyumnina hade ne boss. Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
This is High Definition, an explosion in the city. 106.3 FM. They are tough.
More great music coming up next on this your favorite station.
106.3 FM.
With Jerry Justice.
Higher, baby.
This is High Definition.
One time, go.
See the way I the fool, I the
If I understand how love they make one to do so. Matia Shudum, Mammy Jimmy, who I ended. Oh, send peace to Missy Maso Minty. Since for you never lost, because I have many choices.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling you deep.
Let's do sing.
Friday.
Matia Shudum, Mammy Jimmy, who I ended. Oh, send peace to Missy Maso Minty. Since for you never lost, because I have many choices. And my dodo when they boss, like I never lie when it's awesome. You know. You are my sweet justice. I will do 106.5. You are my sweet honey. Why do we see da? Why do we see Cause I'm into the sweetie papa. And when they come home, my home friend they come home. Oh, bummy ding, sweetie papa. Baby, you are the one for me. You are my queen. One me see you da. Bad me see you fair. The one for me. One me see you da. Bad me see you fair. Cause I'm into near. Cause I'm into near. Cause I'm into near. Cause I'm into near. Oh, my wolf and put a kumio. Girl, I wanna get you on my telephone. I can come and go marry you. Show mama no one from me daddy you. My wolf and put a kumio. Girl, I wanna get you on my telephone. I can come and go marry you. Show mama no one from me daddy you. You are my queen. Why do me see trade da? Why do me see fair? The one for me. Why do me see trade da? Why do me see fair? Cause I'm into the cause I'm
another classic.
the doctor.
Justice. And kind to Dono. I did bet you na me huna na BBM. Obi to me and baby and I'm a one. Was me will be new water semi. We am a day, Mintini who die. That's a good crown. Why am I a penisa? They be our coming home. What done me so mine? And what obey me and to one another one man. I sue me, mommy. What is a man who I did to you? Oh, yeah. Your baby, nothing they done not chip me up. Me, mommy, what is a man who I did to you? Oh, yeah. So I obey, and I'm a dinner bench in a pussy for it. Yeah, if you are Julie Dummy, Mr. What Dummy, I miss me don't be one by Jimmy and Kabi about me. Becoming my JBD. Yes, he is who are born a co with him. We'll be saying, Mammy, my baby and co. Or do more day in the film of Kubim, or by way and me debate Busia for a corner, Nuhuka, Wodini Huni, was Sipita, was Semina will pro and Yemisika, or the Bekume, or Donna Bomi Pusa, when we be your moa, Gabby Nidontia, you will be begging Clay, come on, mammy, Sakaladia, Mamma, Jimmy Chimshia, that chance, so when we be your moa, yeah, what is a man who I did to you? Oh, yeah. Your baby, no, they gonna chip me up. Oh, yeah. Me, mommy, what is a man who I did to you? Oh, yeah. So I will buy you, I'm a dinner bench, and a pussy, and for it. I just was to best me, don't for some, don't know. The
one you and Quani Guma Kumem. Send me Suba in Sadio, no peneseno. Be free in Chayano pay, I'm a finna jumem. So do be you when you move my channel. You went to me where jet to one to mem. Sick a betty and Kwana meto my channel. What am I seeing and not to my kumem? Made of city, yeah. Send you see in a chair, yeah. Or do any more here, yeah. So be we see career, yeah. Or don't see us here. Made of food on me now was answer to my see. Nana Yami, I say, to want to make you my inno to my see. Now what's ya?
What is a man who I did to you? Oh, yeah. Your baby, no, they don't match me. Oh, yeah. What is a man who I did to you? Oh, yeah. So I'm begging, I'm a dinner venture, a pussy, and for it. I like you, open me, Sarah. And it's in a moon, so they done it all. Baby, come, give me that. Your love is so real. Never be by you, money, and me. This a many wa. Or I'm in a wound to your eyes on me. That's many wa. Make it, you'll be anyone else. Ofie
no munim dear ever. True definition of love. Me be a swag catch and point to me my pressure. I like you, but I hate your brother. Don't joke me, I go give you Prada. African girl in a swagger. They can't stop us even when they try harder. Ya mom say when I'm net tattoo. When I'm net tattoo. For me say we Scooby anything I go do. Anything I go do. Take. Kwani, befa me koro.
AdomFM, all the hits and more.
You love me, but I like you. You like me, but I love you. Although na ye die and ye jempe. I say who say me, into me mpe. Say me pe wa me boa and ye no kre. What ya tata me na me so maswahe. Say me pe wa be bo. What ya tata me na makare.
That you're feeling that I'm feeling.
Shoot.
I don't know what it is about this song, but I love it. Oh yeah. On my way from my girl, Adina. Yeah. Check it out time now. It's 5:15. Yes, 15 minutes at the downside of 5. Here on 106.3 FM. See wow. Once again, let me quickly remind you, say MTN Hitmaker Season 8, is finally here. If you've got the melody of an angel, if you can spit bars like a king, if you can dance your heart out, show us just how much passion you blend with creativity to make amazing music. So just download the MTN Hitmaker app, then register, says, come grab the mic and do your thing, baby. Remember, call for entries closes on the 20th of September 2019. Live your dream with MTN Hitmaker. You might just become the next music star. We're there for you everywhere you go. MTN. Ofie Kwanso Pork Party. Yes, a bound chain. The last time you called Tetegu Junction, highway joint. Yeah, so this trip you did room on Friday the 27th of September. Yeah, the back Mr. Blinks Pub and Grills. Yeah. 3 p.m. sharp now, Shasha. Tatemua Copimson Siabe Bonia Fakasiabo. After that, near Samba back home, near the few numbers, so I want to say Copim 12 midnight. You know what I'm saying? Branberry pork, Papa B. Adriani be a pedi, be and Sabia Panubia, Everton. Bibia, you know what I'm saying? So come prepared to answer some questions over there. What me we need in my name Pina, dear Fimo. Yeah, so it's here, Mr. Blinks Pub and Grills. I want to my Community 25. Friday the 27th of September 2019. Pork Party. ZL. Freddy's Corner. Some country says open home appliances, papa. From brands beginning to say NASCO, Samsung, Media, TCL, Skyworth, Nina. Say water dispensers, washing machines, Bluetooth speakers, CCTV cameras, microwaves, stabilizers, home theater systems, gas cookers, printers, laptops, mobile phones, air conditioners, fridges, TV sets. Nina, no. They will be your Freddy's Corner. Then you can say, and they around promotions from Copa, head office. Their bank City Light, no. Obana better products when you move here. Obet me we need mobile phone, iron, blender, kettle, and I say a bag of rice instantly. Sounds a bit me a CCTV cameras, no so. Yeah, no, say your shop one our warehouse will feel one our hotel, no. Obet me monitor activities there cost 24/7. Yes, on your mobile phone, no matter where you are, or we are safe for baby, who dear cost our property, no. Or buy and change your head office once now, or buy repair your phone and answer or tablet. Or brow train the bruise on your CCMA water. Now you try pastries, been drinks, been there. What I say? Antons, any other. I just say, oh no, the you can crack on. It's phrase 0544 959 195. And our face 020-793-7323. Now, if Freddy's Corner, I think it out. BBA Beko Yejo. Seven, I'll bet you are buying school fees, Namano. With no stress. That BBA Ko Ye Diamano. And they call Guaranteed Trust Bank. I am wow. Yes. Bet me crowd downloading my GHP app from your Play Store or App Store. Now I make payment with your card or mobile money anytime, anywhere. You will receive electronically generated receipt. Yeah, best submit to school as proof of payment. What we are now. Equally, bet me call any of our branches nationwide. I want to make payment to over 100 schools through our GT Collect platform. We yan chichi mu ana kwanche bia kwa chichi dem diamo ya. Free 0302 611 and our free toll free line 0800 124 000. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? There's him.
Me fair pot na now.
Me
fair pot na now.
There's him nezi.
Say Isa Brahma Kamoko. Adodo na friend Bukumbanku. I can say ne what title wakojino what ba omanyo na Bukumbanku belande awie a ball 315 and a Bukumbanku elande wo a year.
Mami kaso be wie ni na ansam about.
Debbie, say say no oba. Onu say Uncle Germany no. Akwabu America ohiane de ne.
Into obeko US.
Into yes, into 26 October. Bukumbanku live in California. Bankueba na Jerry. Enye nanka minim se Bukumbanku wodom sa.
Or fans sa.
Everybody yanko.
Say so Uncle Jeja no London because us say o Jeja no a amount for best range so dey ship na utimi de
na nemma 14 ni nyina so airport wo. Ne yere nom 3 minya daje no mo nyina ye interview.
Sorry,
Oda oboa. Ne man nkwa ya full show. Hey, Bukumbanku.
Yeah.
Na me wie na me gba chire am se Bukum. It will be a wako kon water te ba na omanko afo. Ebe de nipa be 40 na make say na yere nom na you know. Na yere nom na ye 4 no mo na nkura na ye 14.
On better for PhD.
On na be si on papa.
Sa de
a je say nkura na wom ni nyina na otu say obi ani age say ne papa akọje title na dia ba. Ba kama kama nipa Ghana fo achire odo de achire Bukumbanku. Nipa be gu ho enyumre ne nsem ode tu dwa nyina de beba. Na ade ba ko ne so wo se o hanim se obehia His Excellency Nana Adodankwa.
Okay.
O say ade onye bi da on life mu e na why nti obesan de abeye de onye bi so da. So wadi ka akoye de onye bi da. And what person was Sunday Bay, I want you to be down to what? And Tinipo Bessia, Oman and Yagro.
Oman, no connect the TV. January. Sports page 2. Details need never. Any interview now, then. The wife penny no can say. But couldn't say, besides, at the banner or yet pushing Kuama or Timmy Cosa or say, Oman Bankuni. There's a few good Jamaica. So unim the sports page 2 but so unim so for kumchacha so unim pa
kumchacha yana na
na unim opambo nso
opambo de matidin ba menhia
na ohia ne da awatene din watene ya ne ade na so kofo mienu why na ohwe otebrofo pa
kumchacha ya better
kumchacha tebrofo chen opambo
requirement is o kambrofo
Papa iti ono nya fine.
Ba mente.
I want to papa can rough da. Opambo.
Na ya mati nyina ye twi.
Okay, etie for enti question of the day no eno no. Nkofo emienu.
O na kumchacha ye.
So ubetimi asend you tweet no. At Adam1063 FM on Twitter. You can also tweet at me at Jerry Justice. But I know what hashtag you Ofie Kwanso in your tweet. Opambo. Any so some coffee still near that.
For my birthday, nobody bless me, yeah, and turn me into a rich guy's skater. I tell you, we go elevator. We want them now, we don't be later. Nobody to underrate that, but people go to jubilate that.
Happy birthday going out to my lovely girl, Mary Matt Nana Fusua of Gimpa Public School. May the good Lord protect and shower his blessings on you. I love you so much. With Elvis in chain, yes, aka Pastor Love. But if you're Atlanta, Georgia, and I'll say and come out. Mary Matt, Nana Fusia, or Gimpa Public School. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you, baby girl. Enjoy your day.
We go maintain, pay the bills, poverty kills. We go get all the deals, Grammys, imagine how you feel. Yeah, Juma anytime the dream go turn real. Munchi kudi kama shinkafa, bandana.
Mr. Richard Mante, greetings going out to you.
We go be bigger, better, higher, fire. We go maintain, Emmys, Grammys, start of money. We go maintain.
And this one goes out to you, Kofi of Sound Masters, Alberto, and he calls this one Maintain. Special one going out to you, Kofi of Sound Masters. Enjoy.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Big boy, no they complain. We go be bigger, better, higher, fire. We go maintain. Emmys, Grammys, start of money. We go maintain. Bigger, better, higher, fire, killer. We go maintain. Emmys, Grammys, start of dollar. Maintain. We tired, so we want to locate. The poverty tire me for head, oh yeah. See we must to sweet like a potato. So somebody wire me some money for my bed, Everybody bless me, and turn me into a rich guy skater. I tell you, we go elevator. We want them now, we don't be later. Nobody to underrate that. But people go to jubilate that.
And Kobe
Jerry Justice.
Hey, Uma Amadia go up on thing.
Miniaba, I was so shampoo attending. Send me a idea. Why wouldn't him say yes, yeah? And grow for attend the Biara. Then so me did my one, then some of my busia, dear. And you be Biara no name by Yajin. Then so a banner, Diana, made it tasty Tom and rich tomato mix idea. A son in Yanin, no, I want any da a yenti. My busia in Naname Yajin. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Achadiam Renadu, the Achadian debut. Yes, a CBG back to school promo. Wait here, Esunku, do you see come on your free CBG